I can't believe we had to convince Adar to buy a Jio pack. We had to spend 20 minutes on a call saying, Adar, please come 100 रुपए का एक data pack ले ले.
That is so fitting, no? Because this episode is about
and-
billionaires.
And his response was,
₹100 का pack.
अरे
I
bro मेरे को
refuse to
Jio
make
app
billionaires richer.
bro मेरे को Jio app download करना
आदर तेरे
पड़ेगा.
100 रुपए के डेटा पैक से अंबानी रिचर नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है? उसके पास
उसका
और
एक
बहुत
बल्ब उसका एक बल्ब एक दिन के लिए चलेगा नहीं. I refuse to let his bulb.
100 रुपए में कौन सा बल्ब चलेगा
Okay,
रे?
so guys, as you have guessed from our conversation and the title, today's topic is actually Varun hasn't done the intro yet.
I
At
have
all.
no idea what
Let's
Adar
do
was doing.
that.
Adar के पास fact नहीं है तो कुछ बोलता ही चल रहा है उसका.
I was doing a segue. I was doing a segue without realizing we haven't really started.
तो इसी बात पे शुरू करते हैं. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random interesting stats, facts, trivia, and personal stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode will not have any personal stories. It's because the episode is on billionaires, or as Bernie Sanders calls it, "Teri maa ki."
Can you do one thing? Can you increase your input volume or talk into the microphone?
Again.
Yeah. So this is if you're going to keep it here, then you don't need to increase. But otherwise, you need to increase
I don't know,
it.
something about putting the mic here makes me talk like that. I've never said
Yeah.
hello.
Edu.
You look like a salesman when you do this.
आज का टॉपिक है बिलियनर्स
Taste.
और as we call
Can
it
you
Moisey
taste?
के पापा.
Or he looks like that.
But
that
we've always
Amitabh
had that
Bachchan
one
in
sound
Shaan
guy.
where he's trying to hide. Why is
Shaan.
my
This is
reference
so
so,
niche.
old, dude?
Oh fuck.
But
Shaan as in the
we've always
picture
had
के
that one
मतलब.
sound guy. You know.
Shaan.
Even Shan the singer is an old
We've
reference.
like in
So Shan the
Yeah.
film is too old a reference.
क्या बोल रहा है अदर?
Tanha Dil. Acha, like on all our live
That
shows,
is
we've
on
always had that one
time
food.
zone, dude.
By the way, guys, I just want to bring it back to the topic by saying that this is the exact reason why we aren't billionaires. You know how much time we have wasted
Yeah.
doing crap like, hey, man,
By the way, in the time that we wasted doing shit, Jeff Bezos just made $2,689.
That's right.
Okay?
That's right.
Which is the
Whoa.
one thing that you always get when you talk about billionaires, right?
Yeah.
It's bad enough that you
Yeah.
tell me someone's net worth is $1 trillion or whatever, right? You have to rub it in by saying every hour he makes
Correct.
5.
तेरे को याद है वो where if
Every second.
every year.
Yeah,
You remember there was
while
that-
you were jacking off, this man.
Yeah. Do you remember there was this one fact about Bill Gates when he was the richest man, where if Bill Gates is walking and he drops $100 bill, he cannot bend down to
I
pick
know
it up because he will make more money in the time that he bends down to pick it up.
नहीं मेरे को ये
Yeah.
जो करते हैं ना ऐसी स्टडी, ठीक है, मुझे जानना है ये कौन है. इधर इधर बैठ, बिल गेट्स चल रहा है क्या? हाँ, अभी वो $100 गिरा है, देख $100 गिरा है, कितना पैसा? Who the fuck is sitting and how are you
Obviously.
mapping?
Dude,
But
Have
that's
you-
obviously there's
on,
also
you
You
that
guys
fact.
have
no,
got
if
that
you put,
SMS forward. Have you guys got that SMS forward ever on WhatsApp, which is like, I told Bill Gates I want my son to marry his daughter, and he says, why should I marry my daughter to your son? Well, he's the CEO of World Bank. तो बाद में बोलता है and my son is not. So बाद में World Bank के पास जाता है, World Bank को बोलता है make my son your CEO. World Bank का owner बोलता है क्यों? My son is the son-in-law of Bill Gates. हाँ ठीक है. तो have you got this? ये मेरे बाप ने मेरे को 6 बार forward किया है message without realizing he
This
keeps doing
also
this.
sounds like the script for the new Hera Fairy film, ठीक है?
Yeah. Also,
So
by the way,
sad. चूतिया बना रहा है.
the most like depressing Bill Gates fact I read, I was scrolling through Twitter and this fact just popped up on the thing and it said, Bill Gates has more money than you have seconds left in your life.
in your life, yes, I saw this.
Yes.
This
And I
was
was
on
like,
one.
Yeah,
Uber,
thanks for
Uber
reminding
facts.
me, you piece of shit fact.
No, but
Fucking
now I think
depressing.
I think every Bill Gates reference in the same vein is now Bezos, right? Basically, भाई तो छापते जा रहे. And one thing I wanted to say about why it's incredible to see what is happening with and the rise of Jeff Bezos, so to speak, right? मैं अडानी का बिल भरने की कोशिश कर रहा था, ठीक है,
हम्म।
और कुछ ना कुछ लोची हो रहा है, कुछ आई वाज कॉलिंग द कस्टमर सर्विस, वो नहीं हो रहा है बराबर, some shit happened. Eventually, you know how I paid my bill?
Amazon Pay.
Amazon.
Amazon, not Amazon Pay, Amazon.
Just Amazon. You
What do you mean
use your
Amazon?
credit card or whatever. But you're paying your bills through them now.
Wait,
Bro,
what
it's
you-
insane though now. तू इतना सब चालू कर दिया है, तू पैसा छापने ही वाला है, right? कितना तू करेगा?
Yeah.
It's incredible. Like the fact that you have a streaming service that is there only so that people can buy Balti,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Like you can start an entire separate vertical altogether with billions of dollars of
And we'll all put our
funding,
specials there.
backing, all of that. So we
Yeah.
are it's crazy. By the way, list खोलेगा कि कौन है सबसे
No,
Least.
so one
Top.
other stereotype about billionaires, right? Which like
Hmm.
you know, so many people in college have thought this: कि if I drop out, I will become exactly like Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
या
Or
फिर अगर मैंने गैराज में
Jobs.
अपना कुछ शुरू किया,
गराज में एक कंप्यूटर डाल के पीछे चद्दर पे अपने कंपनी का नाम लिख के सब लोग जेफ बेसोस नहीं बन
you
जाते
know,
There's-
and
there's-
the thing is, they always have shit ideas. Like these guys
Yeah.
had genuinely good ideas. These guys are like, नहीं मैं वड़ा पाव में ना बैंगन डाल के बेचूंगा. Like that's your idea.
No, there's also it's also coming from this fact where they read those 7 habits that all
Hmm.
billionaires follow,
Yeah.
which is then they'll be like they
Yeah.
only wear
Number one.
black shirts, they wake
No,
up at
no.
4 a.m.
Yes, number one is 4 a.m. Like
नहीं
अगर-
वो तो तू
Yeah,
अपने
yeah.
माँ बाप को पूछ, they'll tell you that is the solution to every problem. कि
Yeah,
the reason
सुबह
you
उठ जाओ.
didn't score well, the reason I'm not getting acting jobs, whatever, it can just all be
नहीं
boiled
वॉरेन
down to
बफेट
one
सुबह उठ के 18 न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता है so should you.
But वो वॉरेन बफेट का काम है.
newspaper में-
हाँ
his
नहीं,
job.
लेकिन वॉरेन बफेट की बात कर रहे हैं तो it's also crazy because he is one of the richest, has been in the top 10 for
Yeah,
years, right? Like
Yeah,
Warren Buffett is
yeah.
you look up to. So this dude, I was watching a documentary on him, HBO documentary है शायद तो Hotstar पे. Bro, literally ना जो दिन अगर market ऊपर है ना, so he has his standard McDonald's drive-through breakfast every morning, and he is not driving in a Jag or a Maybach or fucking any of the.
He's been in the same car for years apparently, the same
Yeah,
exact car for the last
I
10
forget
20
the
years.
name. I don't forget. It's a regular sedan. He drives through a
Huh.
McDonald's, takes that morning. There's a breakfast meal that you get, which is one of those burgers, a hash brown and coffee. ठीक है, और जो दिन मार्केट ऊपर हुआ ना तो उस पे वो ऐड करता है एक और चीज, whatever the add-on could be, like फ्राइज डाल दिया या कुछ भी. There's a
Cheese.
whole thing on that.
One second, dude. Can you imagine working at that McDonald's? Because if you fuck up his order, he will buy this place.
Yeah.
Like
No,
just
he
be like,
won't.
pack कर दे.
He
चल."
won't.
He
He
won't.
won't.
He will find a way to shut it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is worse.
Sir, क्या पैक
It's
करूं?
like
नहीं,
McDonald's
restaurant
का
pack
stock
कर,
कैसे
चल।
गिराऊं.
रेस्टोरेंट बंद कर, आज से मैकडॉनल्ड्स मेरा है. No, but it's crazy, and like if you
I am
look
the
at it
captain
closer
now.
home, you look at it closer home, Ambani,
Yeah.
bro, I remember at some point in time I'd seen his name on one of the lists, right? He was at some 34 billion, which in itself is a pretty staggering
It's a
amount.
lot of you know.
All
Yeah.
By the way,
suddenly-
just to sorry, one second. Just to give context to whatever you're going to say next. Okay. Here's the difference between a million and a billion. Okay. A million is 7
Hmm.
crore. Okay, which is one flat in Lower Parel. Okay. A billion is 7,000 crore.
Yeah.
Which is so
Which
much
is-
more than
Which
anyone
is
can
Lower
imagine.
Parel.
Yeah, which is Lower Parel.
Which is lower Parel.
And Upper Worli and
But
higher
isn't
Mahi.
but isn't Lower Parel Upper Worli now?
So we are trying to
Yeah.
rebrand it so that we can get like higher.
Higher,
money
yeah,
or-
yeah,
At this
Yeah.
point, Vadala is the new
Kautuk is all for it.
so कुछ भी possible.
Hmm.
Yeah.
yeah.
Huh. So,
So
what we say?
even Ambani, I remember seeing him at 34, and over the last 6 months, a year maybe, he's at 78. And then there was some Forbes का list, उसमें ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था, where a billionaire drops down the list. I forget who it was. Is because he gave $12 billion in charity.
Yeah.
That's why he $12 billion
Dude,
in charity.
J.K. Rowling apparently was the first author to be
Author
a
to
billionaire.
become a billionaire.
And she
Lose
fell out
her
of the
lose her
list because of-
billionaire status.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she lost it because of charity. So, but then,
Hmm.
yeah, I mean, she's That's something, man. Like I wouldn't do it. If I was a billionaire, I wouldn't do it.
You know what?
हाँ
You know
बचा के
what?
रखता ना जस्ट लाइक उतना तो सेफ्टी डिपॉजिट एक फिक्स डिपॉजिट लगा के रखता है 1 बिलियन का फिक्स डिपॉजिट छोड़ो उसके बाद
Guys,
डेली का निकाल
तुम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं यार? तुम लोग एक बिलियनर 100 रुपए का फिक्स डिपॉजिट रखेगा?
एक बिलियन का रखेगा ना वो
अच्छा, 1
1
बिलियन का
बिलियन
फिक्स
का
डिपॉजिट।
जस्ट टू मेंटेन द स्टेटस या
अरे बट वो
Middle
आदमी
class-
6% इंटरेस्ट थोड़ी कमाएगा, पागल है क्या? 1 बिलियन पे 6% इंटरेस्ट क्यों
इतना
कमाएगा?
मिडिल क्लास थिंकिंग तू बिलियन तो 1 बिलियन का एफडी खोल, एफडी तो खोलना।
ब्रो 1 बिलियन का एफडी खोलेगा वो एक देना बैंक है
मेरा
वो।
बाप मुझे करने ही नहीं देगा वो मेरा बाप मुझे फिक्स
अरे
डिपॉजिट के
लेकिन
अलावा कुछ करने
बिलियनर
नहीं
होने
देगा
के
1
बाद
बिलियन
तू बाप की क्यों सुन रहा है?
अरे क्योंकि आर यू क्रेजी
बाप
तू
बाप
बाप
होता
की
है।
नहीं सुनेगा हाँ बाप होता है
क्या ही करेगा तू? तेरा बाप
होएगा?
तेरे को मारेगा कान के नीचे, फिर तो वो
हाँ
करेगा।
चुपचाप डाल
आप
पैसा
बिलियन इन्वेस्ट कर दो।
You know what place in the world has the most amount of billionaires in the world?
The US, no?
हाँ, but
It's-
where in
Wait. Oh, it's US. Okay. I thought it'll be like something
सिलिकॉन वैली ना आई वुड अज्यूम
fascinating like
सिलिकॉन वैली
Colombia,
New York.
Noida. Oh, what?
New
York.
York, yeah,
of course.
has 92 of the world's billionaires, the highest concentration of billionaires. Bro,
That's
this
in
can be
white.
fucking.
In
Huh?
black, it's probably Noida.
yeah in black it's probably Noida or more central
And-
India actually Noida also not
You know, like 4 billion of the world's poorest people have less wealth than the world's 8 richest people. Like
That's-
to
You gotta like sort of quantify that a little, like not quantify it, but like just give it like a subjective explanation, right? Like
yeah,
8
it's
लोग
too-
एक side और
or
आधा दुनिया
4
एक side.
billion people.
आधा
on
दुनिया
one side.
more than yeah
8 log, yeah. These 8 people have more wealth than these 4 billion people. That is half a billion more than half the world's population.
is there an amount somebody could like pull it up there is a specific amount that they say can just solve world hunger like if all of them collectively donated a very tiny amount बोलते हैं कि you can
there is-
literally
no,
solve
no,
world hunger
there was a conversation about so one sec. There is a number exactly that you're saying
yeah
that will solve world hunger. I'll pull it up. In the meantime, continue talking, boys.
No, but in the meantime, I'll tell you a meme that I remember seeing. Okay, it's about billionaires, where it's not billionaires, but the meme is the world is 137,000 trillion in debt. Right? उसके नीचे पूछा है question to who? किसको देने का है पैसा? हाँ, कौन? Hey, भाई, hey, you owe us. लेकिन आपको नहीं,
मैं तू है, मैं तू है, तू
तू।
मैं है.
अगर तू है और मैं है तो मेरे को पैसा किसको
Okay.
देने का है? मुझको।
So I have a list according to Forbes. This was in
Sorry, Kautuk.
October
I'm-
2020. एक
Kautuk,
second,
I'm-
बाबा, एक second.
हाँ.
So this is a list of the top 10 richest people in India. Okay, you want to
Okay.
guess some names?
Sorry,
Ambani
top 10.
Tata
Top 10
Tata
India. Top 10
Ambani
richest people in India. Ambani, yes.
Ambani,
Tata.
Azim
Tata is
Prem,
not there.
Azim Premji.
Azim
oh
Premji.
because Tata
Not
donates
there.
extreme yeah
No, that's not why. Because Tata and Sons and Tata funds are too like the company model is such. So there's no owner, right? Like anymore.
He's not
Acha.
there. So okay, I'll just
Ah.
tell you what the list is. Okay.
Sun
So
Pharma
wait, there'll be
वाले-
Azim Premji, Birla.
No, not there.
Birla is
Azim
also
Premji-
not there.
No, not there.
Mittal is technically Indian
Yes,
or
Mittal is there. Okay.
Mittal-
so-
उसका-
Mittal I said.
okay,
एक
so
उसका भाई bankrupt. I'll tell you the story later. हाँ.
सबके भाई bankrupt है
there are two people on this list who you owe money to because of electricity bill.
Adani?
Mukesh Ambani
Adani.
and Adani. Adani is number 2.
Whoa.
Oh, shocking
Okay.
how that happened.
Whoa.
And so Mukesh Ambani 88.7 billion, Adani 25.2 billion. Shiv
There's
Nadar
a
is next.
60 billion gap between 1
Yeah.
and 2.
Yeah.
60 billion.
But that's
Fuck.
because we're just into the second term, no, right now.
Hmm.
थोड़ा टाइम जाने दे. फिर राधा कृष्ण
But अंबानी के घर का overheads भी बहुत high होता है ना. Ambani, you think Ambani gets Adani electricity in Worli? Like or do they have a separate connection for
That'd be
Rentilla?
hilarious. Reliance Power है ना. So Godrej is there and at number 9 and number 10 is Lakshmi Mittal. Dude, Lakshmi Mittal का जो
Kiran Mazumdar Shaw is not there.
no, dude,
Oh.
all of these are like rich people, but they are not
अबे तो
the
बीच में कौन है?
richest people.
बीच में कौन है? बीच में
बीच
नाम
में
बता
कौन
फटाफट.
है?
बीच के नाम okay, Shiv Nadar, Radhakrishnan Damani, Hinduja brothers, Cyrus
Ah,
Poonawala,
Damani is a
Oh.
D-Mart guy.
हाँ, Cyrus
हाँ.
Poonawala.
Palanji Mistry, Uday Kotak, Godrej family and Lakshmi Mittal.
So Palonji Mistry is now the biggest shareholder in Tata and Sons, right? So
Oh, that makes sense.
Shapurji Palonji is the
अच्छा.
biggest
इसमें
shareholder.
बाबा लोग हैं इसमें भाई.
Hmm.
बाबा गुजराती.
क्या
Main.
करेगा? और मैं दोनों है लेकिन फिर भी मैं नहीं है वो लिस्ट में.
Dude, you know, I
Hmm.
met this guy who had done some part of the events for the Ambani wedding and shit. Okay,
Hmm.
Oh, shit.
and he like just some part, you know, the big wedding that they had, and he's like, he did the rules that apply to you and I, उन लोग को नहीं apply होता है.
Oh,
Just
shit.
नहीं होता है. They just you can if you're rich enough, you can fly down Maggie and make it and just make it in the middle of Switzerland. Fly down Maggie.
Nothing showed the wealth more than just one of the kids who was getting married. उसका संगीत फंक्शन है और तू जितने बॉलीवुड ए लिस्टर्स बोल सकता है ना, सब ऐसे
Bollywood का
गद्दे पे बैठे हैं. देखा है तूने? सब ऐसे नीचे
हाँ.
गद्दे पे बैठ के ऐसा देख रहे हैं.
Beyonce
It's
को
not a
नाचते
sight
देख रहे हैं.
you would see happen. You know what I mean? लेकिन
Yeah.
अंबानी के घर पे शादी हो रहा है तो ये है.
देखेश. अच्छा, also I have
What international artists did they get for the Ambani wedding? Somebody was there, na? Like to come and perform. Was it Beyonce?
Yeah,
कौन
must
आया
be.
था?
Well, I think.
No, they had Beyonce, I think, and for one of their youngsters seen somewhere out, they had gotten Coldplay.
Yeah, Coldplay.
Oh,
had done
yeah.
that.
Chris Martin गा रहा है उधर और इन लोग रिक्वेस्ट दे रहे हैं कि अरे भाई कुछ
and it's all haldi.
Emotional अत्याचार गाना. Emotional अत्याचार.
Dude, but can you believe it? Like my mom, like if she had to get like a clown for my birthday party, I had to look in the directory and find a clown.
Yeah.
This person is like, चल Coldplay
इनका
को बुला.
डायरेक्टरी बहुत अलग होगा ना.
Yeah, dude.
So
but
just
What
to
was the deal
one
with
second.
Vertu? What was the Neville? You might know. What was the deal with Vertu? You had only rich people's phone numbers in your diary. What was the thing with Vertu? That phone.
No, where
Remember that
to
phone?
the phone first of all didn't have any internet. It didn't have email and all that. They only got a new
Huh.
one which now has email and all. But a Vertu phone was nothing. It was just you could only buy it if you had a certain like it
No,
was
but
by invite
apparently
only text also.
yeah, and it had all the numbers of the Vertu owners, which were the richest people in the world. That was the thing that Vertu was selling it on.
Even if you could
कि
afford
मतलब
Vertu,
इसमें
you could call.
that means so your contacts already have Ambani or like Samsung or like whatever like
Fuck,
that
imagine if you got hold
level
of
of-
it and you were like, "Hi, Adani, thoda bill kam
Hmm.
karega." Like literally.
I can't believe that this is why we are not in that list.
Yeah, I know.
Because our worry was call करके सुन थोड़ा bill कम करने को. अच्छा, I found that world hunger thing. Okay, so apparently
yeah, what's the number?
you need 30 billion a year to end world hunger.
30
Okay,
billion
so
a year.
technically Jeff Bezos alone can end world hunger and still have 80 million in his pocket. Still
80 billion.
billion in his pocket. Still, even if he donates 30 billion.
And
But that's just for a
still
year, right?
remain the richest man.
But that's
Still
for a
richest.
year. But here's the thing: they're saying that if so this article is pretty like in that sense democratic saying why Jeff Bezos कमाया है उसको क्यों अकेला हम लोग guilt करा रहे हैं? If all of us, and by that every person in all first world countries, okay,
so
which means
not us.
but I'm saying
Not
if you have
us.
to average it out, I think it would be by income, would have to pay only $33.08 per year to end world hunger. And that's a
Oh,
Netflix
each person.
subscription. Yeah. So
Oh.
you can end world hunger like that.
तो क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Because किसी के पास जाना पड़ेगा ना वो एक
$33 देने का मेरे को.
$33
Who
हर
dispenses
साल.
the funds?
But हर साल कितने साल तक?
No,
Meaning
I mean
every year.
the
For
cost for
perpetuity,
the cost for ending world hunger is 30 billion a year.
Hmm.
Nice. Buy कर रहे हैं ना अपना being human के through.
Being
हाँ,
foodie.
भाई कर रहे.
Being foodie.
Being foodie. Guys,
No, no.
मैंने भी $33 दे दिया, तुम लोग भी $33 दे दो.
Okay.
I don't know
So
how we get bhai in this podcast. How does bhai end up in a podcast?
Also,
okay, so I just want to say that you know, in the so Jay-Z is at about $1 billion, right? Because he's got all these
Yeah.
other business assets and stuff
Idol.
like that. And
Yeah.
some of it, like, I mean, by the way, he also has a stake in Uber, by the way, Jay-Z. Also has a stake.
Super smart.
So, and Beyonce is about 400 million. So together, collectively, they're one of the most power-rich couples in the world.
I don't know if you guys know this story. I don't know if you guys know this story.
Adam, मेरे को joke बंद कर दो. And if you want to know how rich Beyonce and Jay-Z are, let's just
Jay-Z.
say that they will never be beyond your check.
nice. Worth it. I hope the chair goes further and further.
Varun,
ahead.
Varun wanted to go further.
He
but
has
उसके
stopped.
headphones की wire.
But
He has stopped the podcast for this joke.
Hilarious.
I don't know if you
And
know this
the
story
other-
about Beyonce. And so Beyonce was supposed to perform at an Uber when Uber went public or something. They became like this $1 billion
Who,
whatever.
Beyonce and Jagdeep?
She was supposed to.
I thought Beyonce was going to perform in an Uber.
Nahi, she was supposed
What
to
a great
perform
Uber pull that
for
is.
Uber. She was supposed to do a concert for Uber. And instead of her regular payment, apparently there was another female artist, I think J-Lo or somebody, she asked for her money straight up. What Beyonce did was took half her money or something and then she asked for Uber shares. Which is way like so much cleverer.
Bro,
than,
next
like,
corporate
now
show
those
यही
shares
करने
are-
वाला हूँ.
yeah.
यही
So
करने
there
वाला
was a
It
was a
is-
conversation, right, where a lot of startups were saying that you come in and do whatever work for us, and we'll give you percentage
Equity.
of company equity stakes, which is
Yeah,
great.
but
Okay,
that's-
no, I just want to go on to a couple of people who are
One
not
second,
on
one
that
second,
list.
Baba, before we go on, I just want to fucking contextualize this for us. Beyonce went and performed for Uber, took half her money. Firstly, was offered money, took half of it, and then took half in stake. We
Yeah.
get called by college students, and they're like, "Sir, will
For
you perform?
exposure.
And we'll give you gift hamper." जिसमें
नहीं
दो
आजकल
Cadbury
आजकल कॉलेज किसका देखो पता है ना it goes out to 7,000 students and you will have your exposure to 7,000 students guys so please
Cool.
just
My channel has 250k people.
इसलिए तुम लोग को interns इसलिए तुम लोग को graduate बन के interns बनाते हैं सब लोग because you do this to us so this is good this is
नहीं,
what
but please बुलाओ.
going to happen to you.
Just
Please
to
allow
add,
Huh.
just to add a couple of more names on that
Wow,
list,
what do you
which is just to add a couple of more names on that list which are missing. So Charles and David Koch, for example, are Koch Industries, right? Considered to
Yeah.
be part of the Illuminati,
Yeah.
friends of the Rothschilds, and all of that. But they collectively are worth at about like that family is worth about like 100 and something billion, but they're very conveniently off that list. Even though they are up there, right? Like just how you
They just want
diversify
to-
and
Yeah, and they also want to be under the
radar, like the
So,
Rothschilds, like the
I'm sure
Rothschilds.
that
You know, talking about the
I'm
Koch
sure that
brothers,
Bezos is not.
One
Yeah.
of them I saw. There's a documentary about the wine industry. आजकल बहुत पुराने वाले wine जो बेच रहे हैं ना public at inflated cost, just like any rare whiskey or whatever. So there's a documentary called Sour Grapes, if I'm not mistaken, in which one of the Koch brothers features, and he has a cellar full of fucking wine from God knows when. अरे 1903 में फ्रांस के गांव में बॉटल किया था वैसा
1903 का wine.
ऐसा सीन है उसका
No, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि that bottle has survived 2 world wars.
yeah ऐसे बहुत सारे
Yeah.
पड़े bro.
Okay.
Dude, there'll be one from the
They have
14th century
Macallan
also.
bottled in 23 whatever. So this guy has he's a connoisseur obviously और उसने बहुत सारे खरीद के रखे थे. Then I think after a point he figured कि कुछ तो लोचा है. So he got like independent investigators to go ahead and do it, and turns out a whole bunch of his wines in
Are
the
fakes.
cellar are fakes.
Ah, fakes.
Yeah, yeah.
Fakes.
Oh wow, dude.
Yeah, there
कोई
was this
ऐसा, are you
Asian
saying
guy-
that someone has taken port wine 500 and put it in the car?
No,
This
no,
is
not
what
that.
happens when you find 1923 ka wine at Andheri station. It's like this is
I'm
not going
also
to be
wondering-
legit, guys.
अरे बट लेकिन चूती अंधेरी स्टेशन में नाइकी में टिक उल्टा होता है, वैसा नहीं है. Here it is almost indistinguishable. Like there are
Yeah,
certain
yeah.
markers that you have, right? And they were able to bypass those things also. So Illuminati लेकिन
Confirmed.
wine choose करने में Agesh.
No. But Illuminati is correct, but he's not real Illuminati, na. Otherwise, like Rothschild ka net worth technically is what that is that thing that you read, no? Who do we owe this money to? The Rothschilds, because they invented the banking system. So technically, you owe them
the
that
thing
money.
is, I feel Rothschild ने इतने सालों से under the radar, hey, not under the spotlight, staying away. एक आदमी है जो उनका नाम आगे बढ़ा रहा है अलग अलग जगहों पे, वो है बावा. मेरे को लगता है सीनियर रॉथस्चाइल्ड को फोन आ रहा है कि सर आजकल बहुत नाम फैल रहा है अपना. क्यों, क्या हुआ? अरे पॉडकास्ट
अरे
बहुत बात कर रहा है अपने बारे में.
बाबा एक दिन अपना
सुपारी निकालेंगे.
एड एजेंसी के जॉब में बैठा रहेगा और पब्लिक आके उसको उठा लेगा और बोलेगा चल चुतिया रॉथस्चाइल्ड करता है.
मेरे को एक ट्रायंगल शेप का गाड़ी में लेके जाएगा वो.
कोई इम्प्रिंट करेंगे ट्रायंगल के साथ तेरे सर.
हाँ, correct.
तो फिर
Okay.
Baba's punishment will be that for the rest of your life you have to sit on a stool and entertain Rothschild. And within 1 year, 1 day he will be released.
Yeah. बाबा is like, नहीं मेरे पास और जोक्स है. नहीं आप जाओ देख, आपको जो करना है आपको जो करिए. लो $1 billion इसको फिक्स डिपॉजिट में डालो.
They'll realize Baba's reach is also less. हाँ बोलो Rothschild के बारे में. किधर बोलेगा तू? इंस्टाग्राम पे? हाँ बोल.
Good episode, guys.
No. Okay. Okay. So the by the way, guys, that Zara fellow is also on this billionaire list, na, by the way.
Oh,
Of course he is, dude.
Yeah.
Of course.
So he.
Bro, वो तो क्या बोल रहा है बाबा? In one Diwali sale he's on that list.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when he officially opened in India, he went up 3 notches in the billionaire list. When he opened it in
वो
India.
बट ये इजी शॉर्टकट हो गया है. ठीक है, तुम ऑलरेडी अगर बहुत अमीर हो और तुम्हारे पास कैपिटल है, कुछ नया बिजनेस इधर खोलो, शेयर नंबर ऑफ पीपल से तू ऐसे
Correct,
ऊपर जाएगा.
correct.
Bro,
Same
क्या
thing
है?
with Walmart,
चाइना
no?
में एंट्री नहीं.
Because in India, Zara is no longer a pedestrian brand. Na? In India, Zara would be extra, like proper luxury brand.
It's not luxury, but yeah, it's
It's
expensive.
not, but people consider it as a luxury
no,
brand. Na?
even
so
in
people
India,
take
it's
it as
not.
like a not really.
Dude, you know,
3,000 रुपए का टॉप है रे, क्या है उसमें?
You know, sometimes things happen and you don't
Baba
realize the full
alienating his
implication of the money involved. For example, Mukesh Ambani has literally given free SIM cards to the entire country.
Yeah.
And we just went like, that happened. I mean, that's a thing that happens. Like,
Correct.
no, man, he's given free SIM cards to the entire country. That's fucking
Correct.
crazy. Do you know how
Yeah.
rich you have to be for this country?
He's single-handedly responsible for TikTok's success. That
Yeah,
is
dude.
what Ambani has done.
Also,
No,
guys, I have to take back. There are the earlier fact that I spoke about New York having the maximum concentration. वो शायद change हो गया है
Noida.
क्योंकि in opening the other website, it says it's Monaco.
Yeah, that makes sense because
I
various
think they
reasons
moved
of
there
it.
for tax
Yeah.
purposes.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
but
And-
also
The most number of billionaires in the world is in China.
yeah,
Yeah, and we
That
don't
is
know
true.
about it.
that is
Dude, there is-
799.
There is one billionaire. I read this fact on the website, and it started with. By the way, did you know that God was a billionaire? And that was how it started. Okay, there's a billionaire in Russia called God something, and he's friends with
Oh.
Putin, and he's a
Of course.
billionaire.
in Russia you
And-
can only be a billionaire if you are friends
If
with
you're
Putin.
friends with Putin, and you can
Yeah.
also not be a billionaire if you're not.
Yeah. Also,
If you're
Alice
allied-
Walton, who's the world's richest woman, billionaire, whatever, is 12th on the list because again, same shortcut that you spoke about. Was Walmart. She was second to L'Oreal. All right. that Myers family that owns L'Oreal.
Okay.
She was second to that. They considered opening in India and they started talking about it, etc. Stock value shot up, and boom, richest in the world.
अपन भी float करते हैं ना एक IPO. XNG
I-
Comedy IPO.
आइडिया होना चाहिए ना, आइडिया. वड़ा पाव में बैंगन नहीं डाल सकते.
इंस्टेड अपना
Yeah.
आईपीओ का इनिशियल पासवर्ड ऑफर, हम अपना पासवर्ड
Yeah.
देने के लिए ready है.
and
Official
knowing
saying, we
knowing
will
Varun
create
Thakur,
YouTube
that's
channels and
also
give you
true.
passwords.
Yeah.
And knowing Varun Thakur, that's also true, considering he is
My
currently
Snapchat
living
got hacked.
he's currently living a hacked life.
Doston, by the way, we will never be billionaires because here's the breakup of the occupation of billionaires. Okay, currently.
Hmm.
Of the current billionaires, 14% are bankers, financiers, hedge fund managers. 11% are in fashion or retail. 10% are in real estate, 9% in manufacturing, and 9% in tech, including Jeff Bezos.
And zero comedians.
Yeah.
Seinfeld, I think, might come close or may end up breaking it eventually. Is that some
No,
700
Larry
million
David's
or
net
shit?
worth is higher than
Yeah,
Seinfeld.
dude, he's at 700 just because of
Larry
syndication.
David's net worth is higher. Larry David's net worth is higher. Larry
Really?
David's net worth is higher than Seinfeld.
अबे एक और बार बोल
Because
आदर.
Curb Your Enthusiasm. He has 2 shows. Because कोई सुन ही नहीं रहा है.
नहीं, मैं
Yeah,
सुना.
because he's got 2 shows. He's got 2 shows there, up there, and that's double the syndication. 2 very successful shows, and
So
he
currently-
constantly keeps writing that.
Currently, I'm googling that, and so no, apparently Seinfeld is at 950 million,
That's
whereas
what
Larry David is anywhere between 400 to 900 million. But a national review has estimated him at about some 850 to 900 million in 2020. So, yeah.
So Larry
But-
David should curb his enthusiasm.
Should
This
curb his
says
enthusiasm.
me who gets.
At one point, he had crossed Seinfeld. ये मैंने देखा था. Yeah.
Bro, मेरे को
But
corporate
it's
show
good
मिल
to
जाए ना
see कि
मजा आ
तुम
जाए.
लोग साइनफेल्ड और लैरी डेविड के बीच का जो ये सीन है फॉलो कर रहे
But they're
हो.
close to a billion. They're close to a billion
Yeah,
technically.
yeah,
So
yeah.
Seinfeld might be the first one.
Oh
अगर
guys,
वो
I
गाड़ियाँ
found
चलाते चलाते इंटरव्यू लेते रहे.
guys I found a killer article which is most popular astrological signs of billionaires. और
Wow.
सबसे ज्यादा
Trust
अमीर
Varun
है.
Thakur to find this.
अबे
Gemini.
नहीं, इसके नीचे ही है.
Gemini.
Aquarius
अरे यार.
is highest.
Shit.
कौतुक तू के लिए
Oh,
Gemini
मेरी
है ना?
माँ.
Gemini.
कौतुक Gemini 7.8% of billionaires are Gemini.
Nice.
How many
Baba, तू क्या है?
Sagittarians? Sagittarian.
Sagittarius is more than Gemini. In fact, one above Gemini, 8.6%.
Hmm.
Adar, तू क्या है?
But that makes sense because
Lib-
Kautuk pays me
Libran.
rent, na?
हाँ, तू क्या
Yeah.
है? आदर तू क्या है?
Liberal.
तू लास्ट है हम लोग चारों के बीच 6.1%.
By the way,
और मैं हूँ एरीज और मैं तेरे से 1.1% हाई हूँ. 6.2.
So potential wise, मैं सबसे ज्यादा, फिर कौतुक, फिर वरुण, फिर आदर. Wow.
Yeah, but you know, just to come back to Seinfeld, I just had this revelation. Like, you know, the difference between being a comedian billionaire and being a tech or whatever, like a proper occupation billionaire, is that as a comedian billionaire, no matter the fact that you might be a billionaire, you still have to go up to that open mic with other shitty unemployed open micers. Like there's no escaping that. Like और तू bomb भी होगा. Like people are like नहीं तेरे पास पैसा है but fuck off, joke funny नहीं है.
Honestly, I just realized like if Larry David was paid royalty for every time somebody in a meme has used pam, 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 ta-da-da-da, that's that
Yeah.
created by Larry David at the end of any bloody meme.
Oh, really? He's getting royalty for that?
No, I'm saying he can. He
अगर
can.
Oh.
उसको मिलेगा तो he'll be a billionaire very soon.
Dude, मेरे खुद
No,
के
but
feed पे दो
from
तीन
what
बार
I
use किया.
remember, I think Kevin Hart is supposed to be the richest comic currently.
No,
I wouldn't be
he
surprised.
wants to.
He
No, he
wants
is
to.
currently the richest, but he wants to. He keeps saying it. I saw that documentary of his.
No,
like, I
he's
want
not.
to
He's
be.
not. He's not. He
Yeah,
will become
the
a
day
billionaire.
he is, he will announce it. Yeah, the day he is, he will release a special just
Dude,
saying I'm a
उसका-
billionaire.
Yeah, his special will be called "Fuck you, poor people. I am a billionaire." Like that should be.
You know, so I found one as of 2018. The two youngest billionaires were these two girls from Norway, Alexandra and Andresen and Katrina Andresen. They are 19
Okay.
and 20. Okay, below
What?
legal drinking age in America, and they became billionaires recently when their dad Joan transferred to each of them 42% ownership in their family investment firm called Ferd, Ferd. 19
Wow.
20 साल. Bro, fuck that. Guess Kylie Jenner. She is what 20 or 21. She cracked the billionaires list, bro. It's insane.
Because
All the
the
Kardashians.
cosmetics, no?
Yeah, dude, it's crazy. Even I was watching this one Conan, not Conan. क्या है अपना यार? My next guest, Letterman. And on that, Kim Kardashian did one of the episodes, and she was
Yeah.
talking about how much she was getting paid per tweet, bro.
Yeah, it's
On
insanity.
10 seconds, like over $1 million sometimes.
Yeah, so I think the highest
And she is
person
like-
currently is The Rock
The
on
Rock?
Twitter, on Instagram.
I mean,
Yeah, The
bro,
Rock
The
gets paid more than Kim Kardashian or whatever for one tweet or one.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Dude,
But
Second
Ronaldo
is
is at.
Kim Kardashian.
Can I tell you Ronaldo's Cristiano Ronaldo's
He's a
net
billionaire,
worth?
no? Is he a
Yeah,
billionaire?
he's a billionaire.
billionaire.
No, he's not. Apparently,
not?
he's half
He's
a billionaire.
how much good football do you have to play
Yeah.
to not become?
No. So apparently, he's half a billionaire, and so is Messi. But Ronaldo per tweet, one sec, I'll tell you. There was a number which was there, and it was some incredible thing per Instagram post. His guys, get ready for this, okay? Please, I just want you all to know.
No, tell me so I can tell my manager to change our prices accordingly.
हाँ ये क्या चल रहा है?
देख,
रोनाल्डो
Cristiano
को इतना मिल रहा है, हम लोग को क्यों नहीं?
हाँ, meaning मैं एटलीस्ट 4 वर्ल्ड कप देखा हूँ, ठीक है?
Cristiano Ronaldo per Instagram post gets $975,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
वो TDS के साथ है कि बिना?
यही गलत है, यही. Dude, Kylie Jenner 1.2 million per post.
Yeah, but that's what even Kim. But Kim was the first to crack that high level
Yeah,
because it was. और उसके बाद इन लोग सब, but still $1 million a fucking post is insane.
But if Harshad Mehta hadn't been caught,
भाई वो तो ये हर्षद मेहता देखते ही सब लोग चालू किए कि नहीं ट्रेडिंग?
yeah.
हाँ,
नहीं,
सब लोग
ट्रेडिंग तो चालू नहीं किया, but हाँ, अरे great show it is, yeah.
Like, you know, if he was still around and if he hadn't got caught, he would have charged at least $1 million for every stock tip. Like just a random
Yeah,
stock
for
tip.
sure.
Like
By the way, talking about that, and since we're on billionaires, तुमने Bad Boy Billionaires देखा कि नहीं?
I saw one
Netflix
episode.
show.
Yes, I saw one. I saw the Malia one. Malia.
मैंने
yeah.
दो
Actually,
देख
वो-
लिया है. मैंने 2 देख लिया है, एक बाकी है, नीरव मोदी का बाकी है. मैंने सहारा श्री एंड मालिया
Sahara
श्री.
Shri, लेकिन if you see the modus operandi of all of these guys, it is the same. उन लोग एक कुछ
Yeah.
अपना थकेला बैंक पकड़ते SBI टाइप, उसमें बेचारा some unassuming clerk, manager, etc. उन लोगों को थोड़ा kickback और bankerage as they called it in Harshad Mehta. The story was the same, where they take a loan and you get a bank receipt as a guarantee. Right? That's I
Yeah.
don't understand fully, but literally all three of them have done the same thing. Nirav Modi
Yeah.
same चीज किया, Malia same चीज किया, हर्षद मेहता सेम चीज किया और सारा
Donald Trump सालों से same चीज कर रहा है. Like this is literally just like they've technically not done something that would be considered illegal at the time. They've just taken into favor one bank clerk. Like it comes down to one random clerk.
No, but that's the thing. In the case of Malia, I think, or Subrata, one of the two, I think Malia it was, where
Malia,
or
Malia.
Nirav Modi, I forget, where that poor guy whose manager has had a deal with Malia, and then some papers need to come down, right? And they have to make sure that it's signed and shit. This poor guy is pleading and crying on camera, saying, "भाई मेरे को अगर मेरे बॉस ने कुछ दिया, बोला साइन कर, तो मैं तो करूंगा ही ना. मैं थोड़ी, I'm assuming that he has done whatever he has to
Due
do.
diligence, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
So this guy was actually arrested in the case. And if you look at him, you see his demeanor. He's a very simple, like, guy who's just like, I'm caught in this massive
bro, one
9,000 crore scam, but I haven't done shit. I'm just merely a clerk working in a bank, which is insane to think. How these
one
people
other
could.
similarity is that everyone can somehow find that last flight out of the country before
Of
you
course.
you catch
वो तो
them.
tip, वो tip तो पहले ही मिलेगी ना.
Like, and they're
But
all
you know,
like Antigua and all these places. Like I was reading about like Nirav Mehta ka jo business partner tha,
Mehul
Mehul
Choksi.
Choksi. Yeah,
उसका
he
मामा
was
था.
in Antigua and he's got Antiguan citizenship by just handing over cash. He's like,
Yeah,
"Ye le."
but it's
Or
Yeah, a
Ben's
lot of
citizen.
countries do that. Portugal also does that. A lot of countries just if you just
No,
invest
the
enough in real
thing is,
estate and all, you
no,
already
they'll
have the
give you
citizenship.
citizenship, but
Yeah.
if the country has an extradition policy with your
With
home
India.
country, तो तेरा
Yeah.
लोचा है. A lot of these places don't have that policy, extradition policy with India. So you have to go via Interpol, all of that, and then you might get it. So, and also when I watched that show, right, Neeraj Modi sounds very different to what he looks like.
Yeah, yeah. That is
Because
true.
I had never seen a single interview of
Yeah.
Nirav Modi on TV ever. The Bad Boy Billionaires में पहले
Yeah.
बार उसको देखा and I'm seeing him speak. I was like, एक मिनट तेरे पास accent कहाँ से आया?
Yeah.
मेरे को तो लगा भाई नीरव भाई मोदी
Yeah.
होगा अपना
No,
वैसा.
and, but when you hear him speak, then suddenly it clicks. Ki, oh, that's why people bought all that shit. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Like
No,
if he had
yeah.
if he had that
so-
accent, it wouldn't work as well.
Yeah, correct.
Diamond
He had
चाहिए
a
क्या? Diamond यार देखो तो diamond.
It's the accent, right? When you hear Vijay Mallya's son talk, and you go like everybody needed a scapegoat. You just like you don't want to like him at that point of time. Like he's like chup na.
But
It's just,
but to देखिए,
you don't want to believe a word that comes out of his mouth.
100%. Now the thing is whether they have found loopholes in the banking system to get your money out or done something, whatever the way in which they have done it, their way out of it largely is very similar if you notice. अभी ये आर्सेल और मित्तल है ना अपना लक्ष्मी मित्तल का भाई, I think Pramod Mittal if I'm not mistaken, he famously spent 500 crores on his daughter's wedding. सब नाच रहा था बॉलीवुड उधर संगीत में, वैसा वाला सीन था. He is going to get away by filing for bankruptcy and thus paying only X amount as the money that he's owed. और उसमें ना bro he's getting away by paying some 4 million or 4.5 million or some shit like that. Read about it. I don't know the exact figure, and in that literally what it's shown as he owes money to his son, his wife.
Wow.
उसका दोस्त.
Yeah.
ये मेरे है, वो मेरा पर्सनल लाइबिलिटीज है, वो है कुछ 4 मिलियन या कुछ तो, और मैं उतना भर दूंगा. And the court has granted him that. Read about it.
Hilarious. So
अरे
basically he's
bro.
just going like ठीक है तो Google Pay का नंबर दे देना मैं ट्रांसफर कर देता हूँ.
हाँ कर देंगे sir.
Bro, can I?
But
Okay,
some
so
लोग
I
ऐसे
found
ये
हैं,
this.
Amazon से करना पड़ेगा फिर.
So I found this insane thing that I want to take you guys through, which is insane and crazy things that billionaires spend their money on. All right. And it's stuff that you can't even imagine. Like this is obviously you can imagine these things, okay? Like the Sultan of Brunei, his car collection is worth $1 billion, is worth $5 billion. His car collection is worth.
और उसका बेटा फुटबॉल खेलता है.
Correct.
कोई
प्रीमियर लीग में नहीं है, but हाँ,
Hmm.
but हाँ.
First division, whatever that thing
एक
is
कोई
called. one
सुल्तान
below.
था who has got a diamond encrusted Mercedes. So
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that Mercedes has got 300
टीपू सुल्तान के पास मर्सिडीज था.
टीपू
टीपू
सुल्तान.
सुल्तान नहीं, टीपू सुल्तान नहीं.
One of these sultans. One of these sultans.
One of these sultan.
So he's got a
टीपू
diamond encrusted.
सुल्तान के पास Mercedes.
अगर तू अपने गाड़ी धोने वाले को वो गाड़ी देगा, right? That वो diamonds will disappear so fast.
गाड़ी धोने वाला.
So just really quickly.
अगर तू वो गाड़ी लेके गाड़ी
वो-
धोने वाला जो
वो नीरव
फड़के
मोदी
को
को
साफ
बुला
कर
सकता है. ए डायमंड पॉलिश करने के लिए आ तू इधर, मैं तेरा डेट हैंडल करता हूँ यहाँ पे.
So I'll tell you a couple of like for example, there is somebody who has built a swimming pool and then submerged a broken ship inside that swimming pool so that they can scuba dive around that ship. ये किया है उसने क्योंकि he can.
Level of
Bro, you know something? I love contextualizing this to my life. Dude, I lived in one colony with a swimming pool. I had to write my name in a notebook before I entered it. There were timings where I couldn't enter it because it was ladies' timing. Like this is, I had to imagine this guy has broken a ship.
Wow. Bro.
So
The only time I have submerged a ship in a body of water was for my machi to swim around it. That is the most a goldfish
there's a
in a
Larry
bowl.
Ellison. Larry Ellison bought an island in Hawaii. Okay.
अरे रोनाल्डो भी तो किया to quarantine.
So the Johnny
that's
Ellison
Oh.
thing.
so we heard
Oh.
that, by the way, but he's bought an
Wow.
island in Hawaii. Anyway, okay.
Dude, एक
I'm
second,
going to tell you about.
को
I'm
island
going to tell
खरीदा
you.
और फिर भी कोरोना हुआ. Like that is such a bad investment then.
So there is a section on Airbnb, by the way. It's called Airbnb, as in HEIRBNB.
Fucking well done.
Yeah.
Just for that
Yes.
pun. Well
Wait,
done.
it's an actual part of Airbnb.
Yeah. So it's
Yeah,
called
you can apparently
Airbnb.
Shah Rukh Khan's new house is on there. Shah Rukh Khan's
don't
new
know.
house is
Delhi.
on there apparently.
Yeah,
It's-
yeah.
It's Airbnb luxury. That's what it is, right?
Oh, you
And
have to
you can-
quantify it more by saying
Yeah.
ki Airbnb luxury. Okay.
So it's rich people borrowing each other's holiday homes. That's really the only way you can do it. Or
There
as
is a
I call
Tinder
it,
for rich people.
WhatsApp.
There
WhatsApp.
is a
Bro,
Tinder
मैं तेरे
for
घर पे
billionaires
आया.
also. No, there's a separate
Yes,
app.
yes.
There's a
But-
separate
Yes,
app like
yes.
that
But-
also.
The one downside to Airbnb, the HEIR one, is that how do you leave bad reviews there? Because you're offending extremely powerful people. Like
Yeah,
you can't
ये
be like,
शाहरुख खान खैर इतना अच्छा नहीं था.
हाँ.
किसने डिजाइन किया? गौरी ने. Gone.
just cut.
That's not. You can't. And it's like ये जॉन अब्राहम ने क्या कमेंट छोड़ा है यहाँ पे? This is fucking bullshit.
अरे आपके घर में गया था मैं और कॉकरोच
Wi-Fi नहीं चल रहा था.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
It's just texting शाहरुख के वाईफाई का पासवर्ड क्या है यहाँ का?
Man.
Okay,
Baba,
so-
you were reading.
Yeah. So, I mean, Lady Gaga does. Lady Gaga not only believes in ghosts, she's so scared of them that once, where did it go? Shit, huh? That once
Baba,
she
I
paid
think
50.
you've gone crazy and gone into the wrong podcast.
What
We're
the
not doing
fuck
those
are you
things.
talking about?
Wait. Lady Gaga,
Lady Gaga
not
is
only
scared
believes,
of ghosts.
not only believes
No,
in ghosts,
there's a
she's scared
reason.
of them. She once paid $50,000 for a ghost detector. Lady Gaga purchased an electromagnetic field meter. It's a tool used by professional ghost hunters to detect electrically charged objects.
By the way, every professional ghost hunter is also an amateur ghost hunter.
By the way, Lady Gaga, I've heard weird things about the fact that she thinks that she signed over her soul to the devil to become successful. So apparently she
explains a
signed
lot
a
of her
contract,
outfits.
and she says that I have signed over my soul and I am regretting it. Like this is some
Yeah.
interview that I read.
So,
Yeah.
so Paris Hilton is not a billionaire, but she's 300 million. But here's what she spent on. Hilton bought her dogs a 2-story doggy mansion, replete with air conditioning, heating, designer furniture, and mood lighting.
Because why not?
It cost
Why
her
not?
$325,000. Dude, I bought a 700 rupee bed and Begum doesn't fucking sit in it. And I'm upset.
Oh, okay, wait 1 minute. This is going to upset you very much. There are gold pills, okay, that you pop and it makes your poop golden colored.
Oh, has Bapi Larry heard of this?
All right, Bapi.
Bapi
This is the one
Larry.
joke you can
Yeah,
make.
Donald Trump. Donald
Dude,
Trump. Yeah.
that Saudi prince, by the way, has a A380 that he has bought and he flies in it.
अरे
It's-
इधर हम लोग सब वैक्सीन के लिए रुके हैं और उधर वो दुबई का खालिद अल मखदूम बिल मखम वो ऐसा करके वैक्सीन ले रहा है.
क्या?
बता
दो
दिया.
चीज
Huh?
दो
mean?
चीज
The
और
king of Dubai or king of UAE or whatever Saturn got administered was the first person to be given the vaccine that was developed there.
Really?
but
Ah,
I
ऐसा
guess
कुछ
that
तो
that's
पता था.
also
नहीं, नहीं.
a thing that you need to do
Publicity
to
stunt.
no not publicity to tell your
जनता.
countrymen that listen it's fine and all that, right?
Meaning
Yeah,
क्या अगर
everything
drink
is fine.
doctor की
Yeah,
पानी
yeah,
डाल के आ जा syringe में.
So there's two other things that I want to talk about. It's called a kidnapping insurance, right? Like when you're above a certain value or net worth or whatever, you can attach a kidnapping. I mean, I'm sure we can also, but our premium is going to be more than the
तेरे को कौन
ransom.
kidnap कर रहा है बाबा?
Correct.
Rothschild.
No, I'm saying we can, but but the premium
एक
will
मिनट,
be more than
रॉथस्टाइल
the
बाबा
ransom.
को किडनैप करके रैंसम थोड़ी मार.
No, but it's that classic thing, na. Who are you going to pay it to? Myself. Who do you owe this to? Myself.
हाँ, sorry बाबा, बोल.
नो, मेरा जोक था कि प्रीमियम रैंसम से ज्यादा होगा अगर हम लोग इंश्योरेंस निकालेगा तो. बट एनीवे, so there is a kidnapping insurance for people who are above a certain thing. There are 4 or 5 companies that carry it out, and it involves government.
जब बिलियनर किडनैप होता है वो ओमनी में किडनैप नहीं होएगा.
Diamond and
इसके लिए मैं तेरे को बोलने नहीं देता आदर.
क्योंकि बाबा का इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट आदर ने कट करके ओमनी जोक मार.
उसने मेरा इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट, उसने मेरा पॉइंट किडनैप कर लिया ओमनी में.
Hey, well done बाबा, you brought it back.
So the thing is, when if you're above a certain value and you get kidnap insurance, what ends up happening is governments are involved, because if like it's true, right? Because you'll be flown out of the country or whatever. So it involves governments, it involves private militia across these places, because it can also have a severe effect on the country's stock exchange. Like God forbid Mukesh Ambani का बेटा अगर kidnap हो जाता है, right? The value of the Reliance share therefore drops, which will then cause a dent in the Sensex, which therefore then, so as a result,
In everything.
Yeah, exactly. So
somebody as important as an Ambani, even the slightest this to their continuation of
line of succession.
Succession, it'll crash it. It won't cause a dent, Baba. It'll crash your market high. 80 billion का net worth, उसको कुछ भी हो गया, सब हिल जाएंगे.
So that's the thing, right? There's that. But I just want to point out, I'm going to bring back something that I keep talking about.
Bro, how much would you, but one second, Baba, just to continue that point, how much would you ask for that billionaire? Like, what would be the ransom? Like, what would you ask? Like, 2 billion.
दो Maruti Omni.
No, I think I would ask for equity.
So the kidnapper is now on the board.
Yeah.
He shows up in meetings and he's like,
आपको रैंसम चाहिए तो आधा कैश आधा शेयर्स.
रामलाल, आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इस बड़े merger के बारे में?
It will be, you want your son back, invite me. You want your son back, invite me to the next board meeting. I'll bring him. I'll bring him.
Guys, I would like you all to say hi to the newest member of the board. This is Kalin Bhai. Kalin Bhai. This is the rest
My
of the
child's
board.
kidnapper.
Bro, that will be so amazing, because for the first time, someone in a board meeting will say the truth. Like, Kalin Bhai, what do you think of this merger? अरे भोसड़ी का merger है, बैंचोद, बंद कर दो बैंचोद कंपनी को.
I would love it if Kabira from Hera Pheri, if just Kabira ended up in the fisheries, like Kabira speaking just on the board. Him leading an entire board meeting would be epic.
No, and HR is like, can we fire someone from the board? No.
Okay. The one thing that I want to talk about also about billionaires, and I'm sure billionaires have another version of it. It is the American Express Black Card.
Which you have, no?
Oh, yeah.
Of like
Billionaires club.
No, I don't have.
What do you
I don't have.
Which
I
color
don't
do you
have
have?
It's an
because
invite only,
Blue.
and they don't want to invite him at all.
no. By the way, all of us know 2 people who were invited for an American Express Black Card. All of us know that person.
All of us know them.
2 of them. Yeah, I got invited, but I didn't have the money because at that point they wanted 8 lakhs for the membership per year. So no chance. Not happening. But that card apparently opens up your doors to anything. Like you also, if you have that card, because you're paying 8 lakhs for a credit card, which is not going to offset the spends that you do on it, obviously. So it's not like 8 lakh prepaid. It is the fee for the card, right? So if you call them and say, सुन मैं कल कोपेनहेगन जा रहा है, मेरे को नोमा में टेबल चाहिए, तेरे को मिल जाएगा, bro.
अबे तू बिलियनर है, तू किसको फोन
उसके लिए
करेगी?
मैं
तू नोमा को फोन
हाँ
करेगा, बोल नोमा
तू
मुझे
तू नोमा
टेबल
खरीद ले।
तू बिलियनरों की थोड़ी अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस
but
ब्लैक
मैं
कार्ड
बोल
के
रहा है
कस्टमर के को फोन
Yeah.
करे,
but
हेलो
American
हाँ
Express
हाँ
black
yes
card
Sunita
के
I want
no no
you
but
can
it's
put me on hold.
but
I'm
you
only the
understand right
richest billionaire in the world. Ah, no, I have time. Yeah, in the time you put me on hold, I made more money than your family has. Yeah. Can you book
Yeah.
me a table in Noma?
no
Okay.
I don't think it's going to be like
Yeah,
that.
black
If
card.
the only reason American Express is justified in giving that 8 lakh का entire money is if you call American Express and say देखो कल मैं भाई अंदर जा रहा है और मेरे को वहां पे नोमा कंस्ट्रक्टेड चाहिए, that is when that car
No,
comes
but
of use
I'm saying
and the
that
card
obviously
and भयंदर में नोमा कंस्ट्रक्टेड हो जाएगा तेरे लिए।
it's obviously the billionaires must have another system also known as personal wealth but I'm saying that where they are only the banking system वो अपने आप से ही credit ले रहे हैं but no with this card I'm just saying like it's people who aren't millionaires also have the ability to feel like a billionaire.
बाबा टॉपिक क्या है आज का? आज का टॉपिक क्या
I
है? मेरे
agree
को बता।
I agree
People who are
hopeful
like
Billionaire
hopeful
और billionaire.
hopeful billionaires
ये पॉइंट तू इसलिए बोला क्योंकि तू बताना चाहता था कि तेरे को इनवाइट आया ब्लैक।
नहीं मेरे यार प्लीज
लेकिन
यार
तेरी
ये
औकात नहीं थी खरीदने की।
बहुत बहुत सौर टॉपिक है ये मेरे लिए प्लीज मत करो ये बहुत ज्यादा सौर टॉपिक
one other very interesting sort of like a just to make you understand the scope of what a billionaire is, right? So for a billionaire, spending $88,000 is the equivalent of like a regular person spending $1, right? So that's how they you can think about it in your head if you're a billionaire. Ki, hey man, I have to spend like 88,000, man. It's fine, it's cool.
Yeah.
Like yacht pack kar dena. You know, that kind of like that
88,000 iPhone चाहिए मेरे सब एम्प्लॉइज के लिए.
Yeah.
That is $88,000.
What do you guys think? Like, एक तो we should talk about the fact that इतना पैसा, you can have a million comparisons. एक $1 for us is $88,000 for them, but still across countries, biggest tax breaks, most stimulus packages, most everything. तो आप इन लोग के पास ही जाता है, bro. एक तो and under the guise of corporate social responsibility तो थोड़ा अपना ये सब किया, but over and above that, offshore accounts, you name it. Like these guys are not saying they don't deserve to be billionaires, but the amount of tax breaks and all they get, there has to be some way in which you control that, right? That
you can't, no, because you can't, because if you just
अबे ये तो करना चाहता था बर्नी, उसको करने दिया नहीं, उसको कभी देंगे
no,
भी
but
नहीं।
it's also not just, I'm saying you also look at, because they won't only find, you want them to, you're expecting the people to fund a candidate with the amount of money of corporate America, which is not going to happen, right? Because just, I'm saying for every dollar you throw, somebody else will throw $88,000. And that's the comparison that you're mapping, which is really impossible to do. Like you look at Jeff Bezos' wealth. I'll put it to you in terms of
blue whales.
Countries. Okay. Jeff Bezos, if he had to be a country, he would be the 54th richest country in the world.
Wow.
Which as a country, I'm saying that's his GDP 54th in the world.
Fuck that, Baba. Are we ahead of Pakistan or not?
We currently are.
Yeah,
but
we are behind Bangladesh. Is what
behind Bangladesh. But that's only in GDP growth right now. But anyway, I'm saying that the reason why we won't be able to get to that situation where tax breaks, corporate breaks, etc. will be reduced is because the people who are making the laws are the people who are funding the laws, right?
Okay, so here's an article I found called 20 things super rich people spend money on that poor people like me can't understand.
Are you sure that's what it says?
I love the heading of this thing. Okay. So
one sec. That's the whole thing. You didn't add a rejoinder.
No, that was the article from
the actual article name,
Wow,
which is why I clicked on it. So it says they love registries where they can have their names next to the most luxurious items without always physically possessing the item. So the thing is that they like it's like super rich people want to pre-order a rare car. They usually go to DuPont registry. Say a super rich person wants to buy a rare diamond from another super rich seller. They approach a similar registry, which then arranges the transactions.
Correct.
So it's you don't have to Yeah,
The
you don't
OLX
have to be like, sir, are you
OLX
paying by card or cash? Like, ये सब हो ही रहा ही नहीं है. Like straight up. Hello,
broker,
boss.
एक कोई random broker. अच्छा.
No, no,
Like,
but
do you want
that's
EMI
true.
on this, sir? Do you want EMI option?
No,
Can
no,
I
but
have
that's
your
true for
number for
almost everything.
customer care?
That's true for almost everything. Even the American Express Black does it for you.
Dude, that is such a
अरे
मामा
यार.
तुझे नहीं मिल रहा है वो कार्ड.
It's a
Yeah.
scam. It's a scam.
Okay.
The black is just a scam. Can we spare a moment for Anil Ambani? Like, what the hell happened there?
Hey, Bawa, 1 second.
चाचा बहुत जॉगिंग कर रहे थे.
हाँ बोल.
Bawa, this is something for you. Okay, are you ready? So
Yes,
it's called the A Air Pass. Okay, so pay $250,000 and fly unlimited first class on this airline all your life. Back in 1981, if you had
It's called the world ticket or
$250,000,
something, no?
so American Airlines offered this thing where $250,000 and you could fly first class all your life, unlimited.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. There's something called a world ticket, which allows you 8 destinations within the same ticket. And
World
like you
कैसे
can
हुआ?
go. No, as in it's 8. I think it's because of the continents that it sort of the 7 continents, and so you want to think, and so
हर
you
जगह एक
return.
ही कंट्री एक ही जगह पे जा सकते.
No. Then you within that you internally fly or whatever. I don't know, man. I'm saying that's what the
Antarctica.
conversation
How
was.
you flying to Antarctica? Like, is there
Which
a
is
proper
probably
airline
why
that
they're
flies
giving
to
you 2
Antarctica?
stops in Africa or something. No, who the fuck knows? So I don't know. I don't have that ticket. I'm saying that there are these kind of
You don't say
tickets
it,
and
Baba.
stuff available.
You got an invite and you couldn't afford it? Did you get an
No.
invite and couldn't afford it?
No.
Was that
This
the-
doesn't exist.
Okay.
But huh?
dude, this is a fact that sounds like a joke, but it's not. Super rich
Hmm.
people, their secretaries have secretaries.
Who have
Yeah.
secretary.
I'm sure their
Oh,
secretaries have multiple secretaries and a staff
So-
working for them.
So there
That's
is
so
an
funny,
executive assistant, and then there are a bunch of assistants that report to the executive assistant.
बे एटलीस्ट 25 लोग होंगे इसके नीचे.
आराम
कि
से.
भाई, उसको बोल एक थोड़ी रखेगा
हाँ.
कोई.
Okay,
उसको बोलेगा जूस चाहिए, वो अपने जो हाँ इसको जूस लाओ, वो अपने असिस्टेंट है जूस लाओ, वो जूस ना ऐसे करके 25 लोग तक चेंज आएगा और एक आदमी जूस लाएगा अंबानी
my
के लिए. That
favorite
is how
one
it
is
works.
this. It is submarine sports car. If you're
Oh,
bored
yeah,
of buying
yeah.
your run-of-the-mill sports cars, you might want to follow the footsteps of people who buy fully functional aquatic sports car that can be driven on ocean beds. तो तू Great
Elon
White
Musk
Shark
has
को ऐसा
one.
blinker दे रहा है.
भाई,
Elon Musk has
Musk का- उसका एक गाड़ी स्पेस में, एक गाड़ी पानी में, वो रास्ते पे चला रही नहीं है भाई. नहीं रास्ता is too main.
Bro, what was
Everybody,
that rumor?
everybody
What the
was
fuck was
impressed.
that rumor?
Everybody was impressed with Harsha Bogle's like returning hairline until Elon Musk came into the picture. Like
अरे,
something like, oh,
उसका एक
everybody was like,
Elon Musk का any article ना, actually I love the guy, ठीक है, but every article of him always has that one picture जब भी वो ऐसा करके ऊपर देख रहा है, इधर बाल
हाँ.
लिए, ब्लू शर्ट पहना है, पीछे PayPal लिखा है, ऐसा
हाँ.
always that how he was at 26 when he had just sold PayPal or X.com, which became PayPal, whatever, and then उससे grow हुआ.
Yeah.
But I feel a lot of these guys right now, I think like if you look at Bezos or yeah, they are trying to spend a large part of their wealth into human exploration, right? Because there are a whole bunch of billionaires who will then diversify from their core, whatever they do, to then try and either solve world's problems or find more things that we've not been able to do, solutions to problems. You know what I mean? Like I think those kind of guys.
That's true.
how-
And the other thing about that thing that you're saying, right, is that across time and space, all rich people have done this exact same thing, right? Like all the exploration that was done in the 1500s and all was funded by the kings and queens who were like कि बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास, तू ship निकाल and find me land where I can find more money, right? So all of the shit was the
Yeah,
same,
that's how the
right?
whole colonial, everybody who went like, I think I read this in Sapiens at some point, because China, one of the reasons why the colonial, why the Dutch and the English left everybody else behind is because China was so satisfied within the area landmass that they had. They didn't send or fund any explorations, unlike Spain, England, or the Dutch. And in that case, because these guys went to Africa and then they looted those countries, America, so then they really took over and like really really outpaced China in that sense, and because China was so self-sufficient.
Dude,
So
you
one
know,
of the
like,
reasons, like, and they really put that money behind them.
No,
so
but
there is,
that's those are the kind of billionaires that you want should be there, right? कि
Oh,
चल
yeah.
ठीक है, तूने
So-
अपना दिमाग विमाग लगाया, जो भी किया, तू billionaire बना, because a whole bunch of these people started out in garages, right? Like
Yeah.
मार्क जकरबर्ग पकड़, वो तो I don't know क्या कर रहा है देश दुनिया के लिए, तो गार्ड मार रहा है बेचारा फेसबुक लेके सबकी. But other people, you take Elon Musk, you take Bezos, you take Bill Gates, you take Warren Buffett, you take any of the other guys who are actually going out. I don't know about Larry Page and Sergey Brin, उन लोग कितना कर रहे हैं, but those kind of people, you're like, please go ahead and do more. तू और पैसा बना भाई, जब तक तू help कर रहा है दुनिया को in some way or form. And on the other hand, you have Malia is not in the same range, but a whole bunch of those other guys who have made a fuck ton of money, have made that money fucking people over, like destroying lives,
Yeah.
and still ending up getting a free pass. That's when it just gets like, "Ek minute bro, ye kya hai?"
you know, there is
they'll claim bankruptcy, insolvency, जो भी बोल के अपना कुछ एक loophole ढूंढ के बेंचो निकल जाएंगे without doing any
But
remote amount of-
America literally elected a man who did this into like the White House. They literally did this to, and I think Dave Chappelle का वही तो joke था ना. It's like everybody's like, oh, Donald Trump is going to save us, and like Donald Trump is fighting for me. And Dave Chappelle goes, no, you poor motherfucker, Donald Trump is fighting for me. And it just makes sense. People are just so absolutely in that illusion of जो भी marketing करेगा, if you have the money to market yourself a certain way, you're just going to be fooling a lot of people now.
You know something, there is one of the most famous books in the world is a book called Meditations, written by this guy called Marcus Aurelius, who was a Roman emperor. Okay, now just to give you
Father to a
context-
murdered son, husband to a husband to a
murdered
murdered
child.
wife.
वो उसका general था. हाँ.
No, that is not who he was. So
I
Marcus
serve the true
Aurelius,
king, Marcus Aurelius. हाँ.
just to give you context about the amount, like this is what you want your billionaires to be. Just to give you context about what this dude was. Okay, he was emperor of Rome at the time when Rome had a lot of captured land. This guy, and at the time, because you didn't have knowledge, the Romans felt that they had the entire Rome was the known world. That's what they
Yeah.
felt.
Yeah.
Now you were the king of the
Yeah.
entire known world. You had all the money at your disposal, all the power that you could possibly wield. And this guy he's one of the pioneers of the Stoic movement. So in Meditations, he talks about how you
Yeah.
have to have self-control and how you have to observe your mind and don't let it wander and stuff like that.
Yeah, the
And-
stoicism.
Exactly, just
Yeah.
mastery of yourself is what meditation is about. It's a diary almost, where Marcus Aurelius is writing to himself about how you should live a good life. Okay, and that's that's the amount of self-control that such few people have when presented with all the power and wealth in the world, and it's extraordinary. And the hope for education should be that should be what you should teach people. That
Yeah.
it's not you don't have to learn skills to become rich. It's that you just have to learn things so that you become a better person regardless of your status.
So well, yeah.
And
Talking
that's
about billionaires who are not nice. Pablo Escobar अगर जिंदा होता तो वो top 10 में होता. ये मैंने किधर recently पढ़ा.
Why?
They were adjusting.
उसने
They were
cocaine system invent किया है, just
Yeah.
like banking system.
They did a comparison with money adjusted for inflation. वो 6th या 7th होता अगर अभी जिंदा होता तो, और उसका धंधा बाकी लोग स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन, मेकिंग this easier, connecting the world, giving you knowledge. पाब्लो जी आप क्या करते हैं भाई? कोकेन.
मैं सबको एक्सप्लोर करने को सामान
हेल्प
देता हूं.
करता.
हाँ.
Bro,
No,
there's
but
a-
also
there is
the
one
thing
quote,
is
Baba.
what you're
In
looking
fact,
at.
if Pablo
No, one sec,
Escobar
wait,
got
wait,
into
wait,
space
wait.
exploration, all his scientists would be supercharged because of the cocaine. It's just like they'd be working 10 times harder than all of Elon Musk's scientists.
सर 12 रॉकेट रेडी है, सर 12 रॉकेट रेडी है. 12 रॉकेट क्या हुआ? सर एक्सप्लोर करना है, स्पेस एक्सप्लोर करना है. सर ये
सब
मार्स
15
है,
गाड़ी हम लोग ने स्पेस पे डाल दिया.
if Pablo was doing it, the thing about what you're talking about adjusted for inflation, it was net worth at the time and the place that he died. What you're not accounting for is how his business would have grown and like skyrocketed upward,
Grown, of course.
and
Until
because
LCB
of
got
that he
involved.
could have been higher than 5th or 6th.
Yes, which is why then they had another person who rivaled that in current times, El Chapo.
Ah.
El Chapo
Right.
Guzman.
Dude, there is
उसका
a
भी
there is a
credit
quote.
Pablo जितना ये हुआ था, because whatever Pablo set up, that was Colombia, but eventually Mexico पास में है ना अमेरिका के. So once they get the idea, they're going to quadruple the only thing. No, but just talking about billionaires, that's why I had to make this point earlier. And why I love fucking Elon Musk. Every new idea that he has come out, or the rehash of an older idea, has been for the betterment, right? I mean, personal profits aside, personal reasons aside why he's done it. चूतिया भी बना रहा होगा public को, I get it, but a lot of the products or a lot of the services that he is now offering is actually, if you look at it long term, super beneficial. And one of those things is what do you call it? They want to do he's doing a thing where you can send people up to space, like a reusable space. Like they had the space shuttle.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
he's doing
the first and second stage rocket. The first stage rocket lands back, so it's
No, I'm
reusable.
talking about sending
No, you're
people.
talking about a plane
Not
that
astronaut.
flies over. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
That was the space shuttle. फिर Richard Branson नहीं
yeah.
कर रहा है, but Elon Musk is also doing something similar. And for one of those things, there's a Japanese billionaire who's come on board with him. And what this Japanese billionaire is doing is that he is sponsoring the trip of, I think, 6 or 8 people who are going to be on that ship going into space. And these are all, there's a writer, there's an artist, there's a musician, there is a Falana, Timka. And these guys are using their own wealth. This Japanese billionaire, I forget his name, is using his own wealth to sponsor, because it's not going to be cheap. It's going to be a lot of fucking money. And his justification when asked why he's doing it is that the feeling that any person would have, अपन भी हो, suppose for example, when you go up to space, right, and seeing the world from that vantage point, that point of view, is sure to bring about an internal change in you. Something inside you will spark, something will change.
And only a writer or an artist will be able to
And
create
they'll
it.
be
Express
able
it.
to, yeah,
No, so
not
this,
just express it.
dude,
They
this
did
came
that for the
from.
space shuttle, where they had a teacher go up.
Dude, so
And
this
she
this
unfortunately
came
died.
from.
Challenger.
This came from. They asked this guy, what's his name, Buzz Aldrin, one of the part of the crew, the first people to step on the
Apollo
moon.
11.
Yeah,
Apollo
Second guy to step on the
Second
moon.
guy, yeah.
Dusra.
So they asked him, they like his whole life. Okay, they kept asking him, dude, what did you feel? How did it make you feel? What was it like? And he would say, yeah, it was barren, it was desolate, it was moonlight. And they would be like, no, can you explain more? And he's like, dude, if you wanted that, send a goddamn poet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing billionaires. If you're a billionaire, please leave a comment and some money in our account. If
Please
you're
subscribe
not,
to our
well,
channel.
keep aiming high, and one day you shall become a billionaire. And if you do, हमें मत भूलना और हमारे Patreon को support करते रहना, जो हम शायद तब तक खोल दें.
Guys,
Yeah.
you know what
तब
the
तक
most
super chat पे
ironic
काम
thing
चला
about
लो.
this is? The most
हाँ.
ironic is we did a episode on billionaires and not once did we say paishe.
Oh, पैसे.
पैसे.
भूल ही
What
गया.
the fuck, guys?
We didn't say पैसे or
Hold on.
Jack Ma. How?
Jack Ma.
See, in that case, मेरे पास माँ है makes a lot of sense. मेरे पास
Yeah.
माँ है. Because माँ, oh fuck, बहुत billionaire होगा तू. Yes. तो पैसे वाले लोग के बारे में हम बात
पैसे.
कर रहे थे. But आप सब लोग please like करिए, share करिए, subscribe करिए, and we will see you again next week. तब
Did you say
तक
आप जैसे लोग?
आप जैसे
जैसे लोग.
relatable content, guys.
आप जैसे लोग कब बोला मैंने?
You didn't say it. No,
आप
no. You
जैसे
should have. Because billionaires and आप जैसे लोग.
Oh no, I didn't mean that, guys. हम जैसे लोग.
हम जैसे हम सब
I said तब तक आप लोग
Oh,
like कीजिए, share
okay,
कीजिए.
okay.
I'm not saying billionaire. आप गरीब लोग like कीजिए. हम सब
नहीं.
सेम बोट में. हमारा वेल्थ है आपके लाइक्स, आपके कमेंट्स.
और शिद्दत.
Do we
Yeah.
have a
Okay, na,
billion views? How long will it take us to get to a billion views on this podcast?
Great question.
Let's wait and watch.
It's a fucking great question.
In that much time, Jeff Bezos has made.
Bezos has made another billion. Okay.
Dude, you know what? I want Jeff Bezos to suddenly be into men and men like me so that I can marry him.
Siddhi
But
is
first, I'll
right
have to
behind
leave
you.
Siddhi. Yeah, I have to first leave Siddhi. Then figure out a way to.
Let me just clarify, Kautuk, you are ready to leave Siddhi for Jeff Bezos.
Because I'll make $1 billion by leaving him. Like, that's all I want to do in life.
Only to come and marry Siddhi again.
No,
तेरा ये
because
plan है.
That's the
Has
only way
other
I can
disappeared
become
again, guys?
बेजोस को शादी करेगा, फिर तू बेजोस को छोड़ के by default billionaire बन जाएगा.
Yeah.
और फिर
And
तू
then
सिद्धि से
remarry
वापस
Siddhi.
शादी कर.
No, and then remarry
और फिर-
Siddhi.
और तू और सिद्धि अभी बिलियनर्स हो और तुम
Yes.
लोग चीजें मंगा रहे हो Amazon से.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Siddhi
bye, guys.
actually came out to peek out and be like, what is this? Why am I being
Guys.
divorced for Bezos?
मुझे कभी भी
Other is stuck also.
Love
Okay, bye, guys.
see you.